going on, guys? Right now we are at Il Sorrento, a 55 plus manufactured housing community here in Southern California. This is one of the nicest 55 plus communities. Over the years, residents have brought many brand new manufactured homes ranging in size and quality. All these homes are very well maintained. They're placed on large spaces, giving you a great environment to have outdoor patio furniture or to invite your friends and family for a nice barbecue. You can enjoy a factory-built front porch with beautiful views of the foothills and mountains. Several homeowners have actually put artificial turf just like this home behind me. We're at one of my favorite areas of the clubhouse, the billiards room. It has fabulous wall art, this large American flag. The vibe in this room is great, it's relaxing. This is a great room to hang out with your friends and family when they come over. The billiards room leads into this poker room. There are 3 poker tables. You can hang out with your friends and family, have friendly competitions, or you can enjoy the nice, quiet evenings here with your friends. If you're looking to get away, this is the perfect evening retreat. You could just enjoy the natural environment and natural beauty with little waterfalls, lily pads inside the ponds, mature trees surrounding the area. We have benches where residents get to enjoy, sit and relax, enjoy their neighbors or sit down and read. If you're interested in learning more about Il Sorrento, a 55 plus senior living community, make sure you leave a comment. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button.